Did you know there are trees in Jamaica that the dead never truly leave? The Marley family built their house in St. Elizabeth around a silk cotton tree older than anyone could remember. They said it was a blessing, protection. They laid their foundation right at its roots and called themselves favored. The first to go was the grandfather. One morning he was found standing at the base of the trunk, barefoot in the wet grass, eyes wide open, breathing slow and steady. But when they called his name, nothing came back. He was there, but he was gone. Then the youngest daughter, then the mother. Each one found standing still as carved wood, alive but empty, like something had reached up from the roots and simply kept them. In Jamaican tradition, the silk cotton tree is not just sacred, it is a home, a gathering place for the spirits of the dead, the duppy them, who rest inside its bark and never leave. The family did not anger the spirits. They moved in beside them, and the spirits did what spirits do. They welcomed them home.